Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review and setup on my new electric bike. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. So this is a 26-inch 500-watt electric bike rated for up to 20 miles per hour and about 60 miles of range. So here's what you get inside the box. Right away, we've got the front wheel, the frame with the battery already mounted, the charger, pedals, and a small toolkit. Pretty much everything you need to get started. It comes about 90% assembled, so setup's pretty simple. I just popped out the handlebar, attached the front wheel, screw in the pedals, and line up the disc brakes. Everything else feels solid, looks clean, paint is smooth, and it even comes with front suspension and mechanical disc brakes as well. The battery slides right out with a key, which is convenient if you want to charge it indoors. It fully charges in around 4 hours and it's waterproof with anti-theft lock system. Once I tightened the seat, checked the tire pressure, and connected the headlight wire, that was it. Now that it's fully assembled, take a look. The integrated battery gives it a sleek design. There's a bright LED headlight, rear safety light, and fenders for rain. It's a 7-speed system, so you can ride it like a regular mountain bike if the battery runs out. The digital display shows your speed, battery level, and assist mode. Really clean and easy to read. The front shocks makes the ride smoother, and the seat adjusts easily for different heights. The frame supports up to 330 pounds, so it's sturdy enough for both me and my wife. Alright, now let's take it outside and see how it rides. The first thing I notice is the torque kicks in quick. I'm barely pedaling and it's already cruising around 18 to 20 miles per hour. Pedal assist feels really natural, smooth, not jerky, and you can switch between assist levels depending on how much help you actually want. I did notice during the ride that the back fender did move, but it was no issue. I did end up fixing it after. My wife tried it out too, and she said the same thing. Easy to control, super smooth brakes, and surprisingly lightweight for an e-bike. She's just gliding through the neighborhood. The 500-watt motor really helps. We're barely putting any effort, and it goes with no problem. It's quiet too. You mostly just hear the tires on the road. The battery life depends on how much assist you actually use and your weight, but the claim is up to 60 miles per charge. Realistically, if you're mixing pedaling, assist, and throttle, around 40 to 50 miles seems accurate. The headlight is bright enough for night rides. The rear reflector is easy to spot, and it even has a built-in bell. All the basics are covered. We rode for about half an hour. Everything stayed tight, no rattles, and it handled grass, sidewalk cracks, and even a bit of gravel with no issues. Overall, it's a smooth, comfortable ride that feels reliable and fun to use. And if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new electric bike, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.